What's up, guys? We are back at Jack Thistledown Racino. Going to be playing some Lightning Link today. Check out that grand of $12,161. Major 638. Minor will be $250 because we're going to be on the 5-cent denom. And the mini will be $50, guys. This is known as high stakes. Basically, it's Vegas themed. Minimum bet is $1.25, but I think we're going to, you know what? Maybe we'll do 10-cent denom. Hold on. That minor is now 500, the mini is 100. Minimum bet's 250. Yeah, that sounds a little bit better. Let's do it like that. Looking for 3 of these briefcases here, or 6 or more of these poker chips. This is the wild symbol here. See if we can get a bonus here. Starting with 504, I think it was in there. Or 506, something like that. Ooh, 3 more. Oh, 3 chips, 2 briefcases. Why? Why do you gotta do one more? It went by. It was there. One more. Oh. It's teasing us with 2 briefcases at a time here. A little bit of roulette wheel action. 1, 2. Oh, it went by. 1 more. Oh, they just went by there. 25 will be the minimum. That is our bet. Come on. It is really teasing us right now. So if we get the briefcases, we get free spins. What happens is, oh my God, look at that. What happens is, guys, the end reels stay the same as they are, but the middle 3 reels combine into 1 big reel. You can land a poker chip on there that counts as 9 collected. If you collect all 15, you get that grand. You know, you can land a big wild in the middle. So like basically it turns into just a big symbol in the middle. Do it, please. Oh my God, how many more times are we gonna get teased with 2? Oh, blocked by the poker chips. I mean, still had a little queens hit there, but 1. Nope. Come on now. I think I saw the major go by. There's 1. Nope. No more. Come on. Briefcases. Stop teasing us with 2. Well, now you're teasing us with 1. Let's get a bonus here. A little bit of cards and 10s there. Come on, poker chips. Or briefcases. Either one. Oh. The 2 tees again. And there's the 3rd for the next spin tease. Hope you guys are enjoying it. I get to actually come back out to the casino and film again. It's always nice when I can make a trip out here. It's always nice when I can hit. Oh my God, that is a $125 chip right there. If we would have hit, oh, forget it. Oh, look at that. The green words, the major jackpot. Oh, it's only $639, but man, that would be nice to hit. It's teasing us. Like in that other video on Mighty Cash when that major landed right in the middle of the screen. Take the vibe, shake it up. Whoops, accidentally stopped it. Saw the minor go by. I wouldn't mind hitting a minor for 500, guys. You see that blue up there? Come on, 4 more. Nope. 1 and 1. Wow, we need a bonus here. We're over 100 down. 1, 2. Oh, where's that third one at? It loves to show us 2. Like that. Poker chips 2. It is really loving showing us 2 briefcases right now. 2 more. Oh. I don't understand the people that slap the screens on a bonus. Like, just stop. If you're one of those people, stop. It doesn't do anything to the game. All it does is break the damn game, and then people go, why is my favorite game broken? I don't know, maybe because you slapped the shit out of the screen? Or the button? Did you see that briefcase tease us up here? Ugh. Come on, 6 chips, 3 briefcases. Is that too much? That was a full line of queens. I forgot. I didn't see what it paid us, but I'm sure not a ton. Oh. That's 5 chips. We need 6. This game needs some Lysol. It's being dirty. Oh. It's being really dirty. Come on. Damn it. Come on. They keep going by. Just gotta hit. Come on. We're down a little over 150. Come on, we gotta get back up. Come on, bonus. We need one. I can literally hear this lady down here. Come on, 3 more. Literally just trying to beat the hell out of the machine for whatever reason. And then someone else sounds like they got bronchitis down there. All I need is 1 bonus. 1 bonus will get us right back up. Come on. 1 more. It was there. It was there. Come on, briefcases, something. 1 bonus. I saw the miner go by. I landed a miner 1 time. We're back where we started. And then some. Two more. Oh, that is a $50 chip right there. Come on, 3 more. Oh, finally, we got a bonus. Jeez, all right, we got the free spins, guys. We're down 200 and some dollars already. So watch what happens here now. The middle reel becomes one big. We're looking for a poker chip or wild. That's not it. Come on. Wild car. Okay, car. Line it up. All right, we got the car. It should be all the way across there. I think that should be a 5 of a kind. I don't know if that's one of the lines or not. No, it isn't. Come on, poker chip. If you get the briefcase, you get a re-trigger of 3 more spins. Oh, come on, land something else, please. Come on. Oh. $30 bonus, guys. All that for 30 bucks. I'm not a fan of the free spins on here unless you get the poker chip. But we got to get those poker chips. We got to get the hold and spin bonus here. one more. Yes. Oh, that is, wow. $125, $50, $25, $37.50, $12.50. This is a very nice bonus, guys. And as you know from Brian Christopher, big numbers attract big numbers. Let's take a couple more of these, or let's get something with words, please. Come on, 4 digits. 3 or 4 digits is awesome. Come on. Another $37.50, another $12.50. Come on. Give me another 4-digit one. Come on. Or words. Come on. Aha. Like all the other holding spins, every time you land one, it resets to 3 spins. And that is it, guys. Still not a bad bonus there. Those are decent numbers, so wish we would have had some words, but that's okay. Look at that. $37.50, $37, $25, $12.50, $5, $12.50, $50, $7.50, and the big one, $125, $312.50 bonus there. Puts us right back into the game, guys. We are now up $100 from where we started. Got another one of those for me? With those big numbers? That would be awesome. But you guys saw, I mean, we were down just over 200 before we started hitting anything, and you know, got lucky with the big numbers. So as always, guys, gamble responsibly. Only gamble money you know you can afford to lose. Once it's gone, it's gone. Do not chase your losses. It's a form of entertainment and fun. That is a $250 chip right there. Unfortunately, it didn't line up with any others. When the fun stops, guys, stop and walk away. Go find something else to do for today. If you can't afford to gamble, guys, please just watch the people on YouTube do it. Live through us. One more. Oh. If you or someone you know does have a gambling problem or has an addiction, needs help, there are resources available out there. BeGambleAware.org is the best website to go to. You can get help for yourself or someone you care about. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you could, please drop a like on the video, especially after that comeback bonus. That was nice. Come on. Oh, almost. We needed one more. And there it is, the one more. Alright, we are at 600. You know what, let's keep going. We'll stop at either 500 or if we go up again. Another bonus would be nice. I'm gonna get away from this person coughing down there. I can hear him down there. I always sanitize my hands, guys, after the casino, the arcade, all that good stuff. I wash my hands and sanitize when I get to my car. Oh, almost free spins. Come on. And there's the third for the tease. Wilds? $21 hit. Jesus, man. Everybody over here's dying. Are they so upset that Cleveland lost today? Dude, seriously. These people need to not be in a casino. If you're that sick, stay home. Two more, damn it. There's the other two. Because you notice there were 2 and 2, and now there's the 2 in the middle. Of course. Come on, chippies. One more time with the chippies, please. Let's get those poker chips. Let's get the big ones, huh? 4-digit poker chips, man. Like we had before. Or something with words. One more. Oh, wrong symbol. There's the one more. Okay, we almost had 4. Did you guys see that tease there? I was gonna say there was the tease from the last spin, but nope, there we go. All right, so it's a $5 start. Come on, poker chip in the middle. Come on, poker chip in the middle. Car? Ah. Come on, we need wild poker chip. Got 10s all the way. We're at 25. Poker chip, please. Nothing. Poker chip. 10s. Come on, last 2 games. Wild poker chip, something. Last game. Wild, nothing. $29.50. Not a great bonus. I tried to do it again. See if we can back over 600. Oh my God! Look, 2 again. Come on, poker chips. How about that $250 poker chip, huh? Can you do that one again? Landed with 5 others? That's half the minor. Come on. Oh. One more. Oh. They were low numbers, but I mean, still, a bonus is a bonus, you know? Uh-oh. What happened to my player's card here? I don't know what happened there. It was flashing orange. I don't know what that meant. Oh. Sorry guys, I was trying to move the tripod a little bit. My hand's getting a little tired from holding it. Recorded a lot of videos today, so. Let's get one more bonus, please. Do it. Poker chips, please. Something with words. Drop 3 and 3. Well, that's 1 and 1. I said there's 3. Come on, 3 more. Damn it. It's trying. We'll stop at 500, guys, if we get there. Hopefully we don't. We go back up. Wilds. All right, 6 more spins. Well, that adds a little bit extra. That's 8 spins. Oh, come on. Do it. 5 more spins. Oh. Wilds. All right, gives us a few more there. Back up to 6 spins again. Oh, a little bit more. Yep. Just keep doing that. Do those hits like that. Just keep doing 30 bucks here, 20 bucks there, briefcases there. Oh. Come on, 3 more. You dirty. 8 more spins. How many times we said that already, huh? All right, 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Can we get a bonus on it? No, we cannot. But hey, you know what, guys? I showed you both of the bonuses where we had the hold and spin, a really good one. We were down a little bit. We're breaking even, basically, here on Lightning Link. This is called the high stakes version of it because it's Vegas themed. Thank you guys so much for watching. From the General to the Army, stay safe, take care of each other, always have a positive mental attitude. And as I always say, I will catch you guys next time.